All right, sixth grade, happy Friday. Sorry about the switcheroo on things this week. Things have been kind of crazy, and we're trying to be flexible and pivot when and where we need to. So, this is what's happening for today. We did, like I sent you a message yesterday, and Miss Jones and I moved the object and art interaction project to later on. If you already completed it, awesome, you're ahead of the game. If you started it, awesome, you're ahead of the game. So don't worry about it. We are still going to do it. We're just pushing it later on. Okay. Yesterday, y'all should have been working on your colored pencil techniques. So that was an expectation, and that should be completed before you come to school next week. So again, that's here in your task slides for Thursday. I'm just giving you a friendly reminder. It should be, I believe, the last slide. So slide number 4. It is these 3 videos to follow along with the artists and draw as close to what you can see on all 3 of these videos in your sketchbooks. So that should have been done today. If it wasn't, then you need to do that on Friday, today, or Thursday. It should have been done Thursday. If it wasn't, it needs to be done today, Friday. Now, this is what needs to be done also as I'm heading into Friday. Okay, video discussion, sketchbook check-in is due. Okay, so attendance, watch your video. Let's check out our task slides. Look at this. I can work independently to complete my work. This says pre-conference grade check. Okay, we have conferences coming up, and we also are ending midterm. This is the end of our 3rd week. So if you have more than one missing assignment, I'm going to be communicating home to help your parents support you. Okay, so get that stuff turned in. Your sketchbook progress check-in is due today, and your cover design is due today. Now, I will tell you, I'm getting a little annoyed with the stuff getting turned in incorrectly because people are not reading and going back and reviewing. Remember, we don't expect you to remember everything, but it is all there for you to recap. So right here, this is the sketchbook check-in. You got to do the 3, 2, 1. 3 things you learned, 2 things you like, 1 thing you can change and do better on. Complete sentences. Oh, look, it says that here. Then you need to put your pictures of your sketches in the right spot. Remember the rubric, it actually is all on there, and it should already be in your Notability. We downloaded it in class, and if you were home that day or VLA, I told you to download it that day as well and put it in Notability. So if you followed along and did what you're supposed to, it should be in Notability. Remember, full colored pages. The photos need to be rockstar photographs so I can see your artwork, please. I want to see what you're doing. And then this needs to be turned into the sketchbook check-in. That's due today, peeps. The next thing that is due is your cover. Okay, now your plan goes right here. Y'all should have a plan. We worked on it in class together. Your symbols from Sketchbook should go right here. This section, questions you need to answer, and this one you need to answer, which you should be able to from the color theory video and worksheet that we did. Then your folder goes here. Remember, it's the whole thing, peeps, the both sides of your folder. No matter what project you chose, it's the whole thing. There should be very little, if any, white. It should be all colored in, and it should be rockstar craftsmanship. If you are not there, you need to spend some time today doing that, because I'm just going to send it right back to you. So those 2 things first. Then you are going to be doing a discussion. Okay, you're going to watch this fun video. It's pretty cool. And you're going to answer these 2 questions for full credit. If you don't answer both questions, you don't get full credit. So both questions, full credit. Okay, then you can work on any other missing work that you have. We want to start fresh next week. We want to start on Monday with no missing work. Everyone's got all their stuff turned in. So we're going to start on our brand new Among Us project that Ms. Danielson is rocking out for everybody, and we're super pumped about. So use this time today. Get your work done so I don't have to start calling home. Let me know if you have any questions. Later.